Hey, let me show you in this beautiful short video how you can generate 3D head in a second. So imagine that you want to sculpt a 3D head. You can start, with a sphere, which looks like this. I don't know, it's a bit boring, or you can create a head. One click, the head is created. The fun part is that all of this is just the sliders, and you can play with the numbers and you will generate any head you want to. You can create the lights, so it's a little bit more fun to play with. It's working with Eevee here, Eevee or cycles. Let me show you how you can customize it. So we prepare this plugin where you can just, with the sliders, change the head. So the width, the height, depth. Also a lot of cool stuff. You can, can customize the head. And instead of doing like stuff manually, you can do it pretty nicely automatically. The cool thing is that you can generate many hundreds head if you want and need to. Here is the ear size. You can reset and get back, and here, for example, you have also the strength of the identity. You can change if you want more female or male. You see the difference. And here is the strength, so you can more lean to different heritage, for example, white, Asian, black, Middle Eastern, you see, Middle Eastern female or Middle Eastern male. Here you can have like A and B, you can have 50 heritage A or 40 of heritage B, and you can play with the numbers, you see, like here is A 57, B 43. Here is cool thing is that you can change only the part of the head, for example, the eyes here. So you see, I'm modifying also the eyes. If you want to also modify the mouth, you can easily do it. You see, I just clicked here and just moving. If you want, randomize selected, you can easily do it, or you can just randomize eyes. Pretty fun to do. Nose. Yeah, it's pretty fun to do, or customize the whole head. Then you can save the favorites for someone else. Even it will actually, you can send it to somebody else and he can get the heads for you. So yeah, let's go to the match. Basically, match is you can upload front photo and you can also upload the side photo, and you will actually generate the head close to the images, the reference images you will upload here from the side and from the front. The next cool thing is also the expressions. You can have the expression and then you can actually randomize them. Here is the same thing, like happy, A and B, and you have multiple different facial expressions, for example, finger left, so you can have also previous. Also, then we have the pose where you can actually like change the head, and everything is working in real time. Here is the mesh. Let me just show you. It looks nicely. Look up, down, you see. Okay, so yeah, then you can change the materials, the color scheme, and you can play with that. Pretty easy to do, and it will look cool in the end. Yeah, we played also with the materials here, so it's procedural. And here, what you have is that you have all the stuff behind the scene, which you can easily customize, randomize, get the head easily. It's basically randomize everything here. Zero identity, it's randomizing basically everything. Here is the eye, the size of the eye, teeth. You see, like it's randomizing, it's doing a little bit more random. Pretty fun what you can do. And also this is the identity, and here we have the expressions. So let's go to randomize the lower part of the body. Here also you can change left, right, lower, tongue, pupil and so on. Then if you go and just click bake head, it will create the head. And now what you got with the head, here you can play with that, and here you can see that you can play with the eyes and even slightly like it's moving. And to play with them, you can play only with one eye, you can play, you know, with the head, with whatever you want. The cool part is that the eyes are at the same size, at the same spot, and you can play with them. The fun part is, again, you can play with the facial expressions, combine them. One cool thing is that you can even make the animation just with one click. Look at this. It will look around, right? Nice. Or you can, eye roll. You can nod yes. And you can play, shake no. So here I have the animation creating me the keyframes here. See how I clicked like so many times? So, keys. You can combine them together, so it will work nicely, receive all. But basically, yeah, you can prepare the GLB file and then export it, or FBX file, which is pretty handy. And you can go to ZBrush or whatever tool you want to continue. You can sculpt on top of this, or you can create the heads, or you can use it in the web apps and so on. So it's pretty fun to do. See, as I mentioned, like these are the random teeth. Yeah, so that was it. This is the head generator we did for you. So if you have any suggestion to improve or improvements, please comment down below or write me at samuel@3d.design. If you have any question, again, write me to the samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more what we do, because we have a lot of 3D packs, 3D models, we do custom 3D work, we have 3D AI generator, go to 3d.design. And yeah, if you want to learn more about this beautiful head generator, go to our web page. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.